Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to VCHS. We're your hosts, Emily.
And I'm Madison. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we will be enjoying chili, corn chips, broccoli, cinnamon roll, pineapple, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Caleb, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Colorado has become home to the largest indoor inflatable amusement park in the world. Lego toys break ground at new Virginia factory. Missouri's only nuclear power plant shuts down due to water issues. Virginia teen defeats his mentor and high school civics teacher in local board election. Extreme flooding is leading to green rice fields over the last 30 years, scientists say.
Next, here is today's quote and word of the day.
Out. Equivalent in seriousness to, virtually the same as.
Coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is a success. Henry Ford.
As we dive into a new week, let's check in with the boys swim team to preview the season.
Hi, I'm Brandon Kinsinger. I'm a senior on the swim team, and I do backstroke, and my favorite part of swim is probably just the brotherhood that we have and the connections that we make throughout the season, and our Tuesday night Bible studies.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a junior. I do butterfly, and my favorite part of swim is probably the community.
What? What's your favorite part of swim? Probably making friends and swimming.
Jalen, I do freestyle. My favorite part of swim is swimming.
I'm Kalle. I'm a senior. I do swim and I do freestyle, and my favorite part about swimming is just the people there.
While we might not be the best swimmers, entering the job application pool in the future is coming quickly. Let's check out some colleges we're looking at.
Jackson Schiffelbein and KU.
My name's Asher Thompson, and my favorite college is WSU.
My name is Aiden. My favorite college is Penn State.
Mr. LeDuc. My favorite college is University of Texas.
I'm Miss Pound. My favorite college is Wichita State.
My favorite college is K-State University because that's where I'm going. And my name is Kinsley.
My name is Colin Melcher, and my favorite college is the University of Duke.
My name's Tomley Cadell. I think K-State's pretty cool, right? Yeah.
As the leaves are falling, let's look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Ace Jones, and here's today's weather. Today, we will have a high of 43 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, we will have a low of 29 degrees with clear skies and light winds.
And now time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.